I know that this made such a difference. We had regular days that we used our splat. We had different competitions and things. And in order for us to win, we were, adding and they were subtracting and they were using the skills that they thought they left the grade not knowing how to do. So you think you don't know how to care or to regroup numbers. Here you are regrouping so you can go ahead and win this competition. And I even saw teams crossing over to help one another so that everybody would be winning. So it was so much fun that I can't even place it in a realm with anything else. I mean, what other program says jump on something so you can learn?
So being able for students to jump on the splat, to touch it with their hand, to get up and move around while doing math. They didn't even realize that they were doing math activities.
So when I get to incorporate them and use them in not just coding, but when we try to help the math teacher or the science teacher, using them so kids are up and moving and engaged and willing to participate, even if they don't know the answer. So they're more willing to participate and fail when it's fun. As an educator, it's nice to be heard, and the follow through is always there with you guys.